I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Camry AC. We'll start with some basic checks. First, ensure your cabin air filter isn't clogged, as this can restrict airflow significantly. Next, visually inspect the condenser at the front of your car for any debris or damage that might impede its function. Finally, confirm the compressor clutch engages properly when you turn on the AC system. A common culprit for poor AC performance is low refrigerant. If your system is low, it likely has a leak. You can use a leak detection kit to pinpoint the source. Once found and repaired, recharge the system with the correct type and amount of refrigerant. For persistent or hard-to-find leaks, professional assistance is often recommended to ensure a lasting fix. Electrical issues can also prevent your AC from working. Start by checking the relevant fuses in your fuse box. A blown fuse is an easy fix. Next, test the AC relay, which can sometimes fail. Also, inspect the wiring for any signs of corrosion or damage. Finally, verify the AC pressure switch is functioning as it should to allow the system to operate. If basic checks and refrigerant levels are good, your compressor might be failing. A non-engaging or noisy compressor usually means it needs replacement. Also, consider issues with the expansion valve or orifice tube, which regulate refrigerant flow. Sometimes, a clogged evaporator drain can cause problems. For complex issues, a professional diagnosis is often the most efficient solution to get your AC running again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.